She loves markers. Welcome, everybody, to another drawing session. I am here with Zola.
And today we're going to draw a kitty with a birthday hat sitting on a mountain.
And Zola is going to be our teacher again today. So let's get cracking. Okay, you show me.
Okay, so first we're going to do the ears.
The ears, okay.
Right here. And then we're going to draw a line between.
And a line between the two ears at the top, okay.
Now we're going to do this, and then we're going to draw the head, and then we're going to do two curves, but leave a little gap, because we're going to do the body.
Okay, this is cool. Leaving a little gap at the...
Yours is not going to look that good.
Thank you.
Because you still need room for the body, and then the mountain's going to be so small.
Right, so we've got to leave room for the mountain. Okay.
And then we're going to draw a little upside down triangle, sort of. Yeah.
Okay, upside down triangle.
For the nose.
Like it.
And then two down, and then curve.
Two down loopies. Okay.
And then we can draw that and color those in.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, now we're going to draw two circles.
I like them nice and big.
And highlight in their eyes.
Highlight in the eyes.
And then we're going to trace the circle.
Trace it on the inside. Trace it on the
And then
inside.
we're going to draw a little highlight on the bottom.
So
And then
cute.
color in the background.
Okay, color in the rest. Like that.
And
Cute.
then I'm going to draw 3 eyelashes. You don't have to if you don't want.
Oh, I like the eyelashes. Okay. Cool.
Now we're going to draw the birthday hat.
Birthday hat.
Just a little triangle.
So like a little super pokey on the top.
And got a little puff ball.
Little puff ball, I like that. Oh, and little puffies in the puff ball. Cool. Can I do polka dots?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want for the birthday hat.
Okay. Kind of decorations on the hat. Oh, awesome. I'm gonna color my hat in. You did stripes?
You did polka dots.
Right on. Okay. Ooh, that's cool.
Now we're gonna draw a line coming out, another one coming out.
From the neck here,
Curved.
okay, kind of curved.
And then we're gonna draw a line here and then here.
Right in the middle line, okay.
And then we're gonna curve this one and this one.
At the bottom.
And then you could do this for the tummy.
Little tummy in between.
And then the claws. The toes, I mean. And we're gonna draw 2 legs coming out. And then we're gonna do like a circle on both sides.
Oh my goodness, Zola, this is so cute. So cute.
And then we're gonna draw the tail. It's nice and long. And then we're gonna draw like black tip.
No black tip. I like that. I like that.
Oh yeah, and mountain.
And a mountain. Okay, so from the bottom all the way up to the
Head. Oh yeah. And then another line.
oh yeah. Can I do my mountain to the feet? Like he's sitting right on the top. Same thing on the other side. Okay. Yes. Now, ooh, what's that part?
Snow.
The snow, okay. That's the snow at the top of the mountain. Awesome.
And you can draw a little butterfly.
Oh, I like your butterflies. Little dots on the butterfly. Isn't it cool how butterflies have very cool designs on them? And now, does the cat need eyelashes on its cheeks?
No, it has to have dots right here.
Dots in there. Okay.
And whiskers.
Whiskers in there.
And sign our names.
And sign our names. I love your signature. How did you learn how to do that? Cool. Can we draw a flower on the mountain? Poking out a little flower? I like that. Okay, so you show me how you do really good flowers. Aw, yeah, and little ones back there. Do we want one on the other side of the mountain? A different kind or the same?
A rose this time.
A rose. Oh, Zola. Cool. And do they have leaves as well?
No. Nope.
What do they have?
Spikes.
Little spiky. If I was that cat, I would be very happy about my birthday party. That looks like a good party. Maybe some mountain dust. Awesome. Oh, is there anything else? A cloud, a sun, anything else?
Maybe
Oh, cool. This is our sun in the corner. Man, you got cool details, Zola. Look at this sun beaming down with curly little sun rays. Beautiful. Awesome. Zola, thank you so much for showing me how to draw a cat on a mountain, having a birthday party with a tulip and a rose and a butterfly on a sunny day. Thank you guys for joining us. That was fun. Thank you for teaching us. And pens up. Have a good day.